Now let's create a file by-coffee.js file here in order to test a smart contract. Under the script folder there should be a sample script already populated sample script. Let's rename. uh, we have deploy.js file in it, so let's leave it as it is. uh, just I just created the by-coffee.js. now let's just copy this code and paste it here. So let's see how it works. Okay, let's read it. Get the example accounts we'll be working with. We get the contract to deploy. Oh, sorry. If we read through the script code, there are some utility functions defined at the top, of the top for convenience to do things like getting wallet balance and printing them out. The main logic of the script inside the main function, the commented code shows the flow of the script. So let's see the code. Here it is. Get the example account we'll be working with. Then we get the contract to deploy that we want to deploy is buy me a coffee smart contract. Then is a function for deploying the contract. As here is deployed, we will get the address of our smart contract that we will going to use in front end application. Check the balance before the coffee purchase. Here it is. It checks the balance of the user, either user have a balance amount, a sufficient amount or not. Then buy the owner a few copy. So it's give it send a 1 ether, and that's the tip that is going to send. So here it is. We are calling uh, buy a coffee function, passing the name, passing the message, passing the tip. Here we are doing it 3 times. Now let's move on. Check balances after the coffee purchase. Okay, here it is. And now let's withdraw it. This is the withdraw function, and I'm going to print the balance of that address. Which address? The address of a smart contract. Okay, no, all the 3 addresses, because we are passing these addresses: owner address, tipper address, smart contract address. So we will be checking all 3 addresses. Now check out the memos. It will going to print all the memos. uh, that's the function that we will be calling from here. So let's move on. You may also notice that we're creating interesting calls like hre.waffle.provider.getBalance hre.ether.getContractFactory hre.ethers.utils.parse ether, etc. These lines of codes are where we're taking advantage of Hardhat HRE development environment along with the Ethers and Waffle SDK plugin to access functionality that allow us to read blockchain wallet account balances, deploy contracts, and format Ether cryptocurrency values. We won't go too in depth about the code in this tutorial, but you can learn more about them by looking up the hardware and Ethers.js documentation. Enough talking now. For the fun, let's run the script. Okay, so you can learn about uh, Hardhead. This is the website hardhead.org, and this is the Ethers.js.